Do you know that you can generate a picture online or use your own picture or picture of anyone, any picture at all, and make them to talk, as in making a video? You can use your picture or picture of anybody or picture of anything or picture you generated online to make a video and post it on your social media. You can post it in YouTube, you can post it in WhatsApp, you can post it in Instagram, you can post anywhere, any of your social media handle, and you make a very good money with them. Come, let me teach you how you can make your picture talk, how you can use your picture or picture of anyone or anything to make a good quality video. Please, this channel is all about making money online. If this is what you care about, you want to be learning things, please subscribe to this channel. Put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified and you start taking actions. This video we are making, we are going to do everything with AI. So sit down, watch this video till the end and learn things you didn't know before and start taking actions to use them to grow your social media channels, grow your YouTube channel, grow your social media handle. Okay, let's drive right into it. So the first thing we will do is to generate our scripts. So we'll drive right into ChatGTP. I use Nova ChatGTP. I pay 2,470 naira per week. So it's good and it has so many features. So once you go to your Play Store, you will download Nova ChatGTP. This is how it looks like. It has so many amazing features. So you can subscribe. Me, I subscribed of 2,470 naira per week. In a week you can write any scripts you want. You can write scripts that you will use for the month and keep it. It also has where it stores all the information, all the things you have browsed in this Nova ChatGTP. It stores it for you, so you take the advantage of that. Just any topic you remember you want to do, just type them and keep them. Keep the scripts. The day you want to use it, you can go there and start using them. So now I want to tell ChatGTP what I want to make video about. So I told ChatGTP to write an article about my lovely father's last wish. Okay, look at ChatGTP. Look at it, will start generating immediately. It will be writing it before your presence. Look at it. It's generating, it's writing everything down. ChatGTP is writing everything, starting from the introduction. Is writing everything. This thing is amazing. You can use it to write whatever you want to write. You can use it to write a proposal, you can use it to write blog, you can use it to write letter, you can use it to write anything. You can use it to generate scripts, which is what we are doing right now. Okay, ChatGTP is very nice. Make sure you will subscribe. This 2,470 naira per week, you can make hundreds of scripts and keep them. You can tell it to stop, you can tell it to regenerate, it will start afresh. You can say stop, it will stop. Okay, you can type again, ask him anything, he will answer you. So now that we have generated our scripts, we have to copy it. So these are still things. If you want to, another way you can earn in this ChatGTP is invite your friends. If you invite 5 friends, they will give you 90 days of free premium use. Wow, is that not amazing? It's amazing. If you have been finding it difficult to write your scripts, this is an opportunity. Okay, now we have our scripts, so let's go and generate our image. Let's go to Jenny Crafts. Go back to your Play Store and download Jenny Crafts. Okay, the app will look like this. So once you download it, you sign up. Okay, once you sign up, you will come to a page like this. Okay, so what we are generating now is an image. So whatever you write, you want to generate, you click on image. If you is video you want to generate, you click on video. So now I assume I'm writing an article about my father's last wish, so I'm generating an image that looks like my father. So I told the ChatGTP to generate a picture of an old man up to 70 years, dark, tall and handsome with a smiling face. Let's see what it generated for me. This app is awesome. Anything you tells it to do for you, it will do it. Anything you tells it to generate for you, it will generate it the way you said it. Let's see the result. Look at it. Wow, is this not awesome? What do you have to say about this? What do you think about this? Look at the image, and this man looks like my father too. Look at the image he generated. This is awesome. So let's now go to where we are going to do our video. So go to your browser, type d/id.com. The page will look like this.
Son, let me share with you some wisdom about the importance of communication in a relationship. Building and maintaining strong relationships, be it romantic, family, or friendships, relies heavily on affection.
Make your videos go viral, okay? Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to be notified. I will be bringing more of AI videos and how to use them to make money and all kinds of make money online. I will bring in the videos. I promise you, you will be seeing beautiful and better videos than this. Please subscribe and put on your notification bell. Stay tuned. I am Angela Noble.